Ayun na. Tirahin na niya yung babae. Ayun na. Pag tira niya sa babaeng yan, ayun na. Puta! Yan. Kita niya ang grupok. Ayun na. Puta! Nilagpasan niya. Sabog ka tuloy. Okay guys, this is Drew Sour Orange Street and welcome to the daily podcast. I'm playing Zwei the Ilvard Insurrection. This game is one of the best games that I have played from Falcom. So yeah, let's reminisce the past and play this game again. So the game Zwei the Ilvard Insurrection was developed in the year 2008, but it was translated to Japanese in year 2009. Somewhere in between that, I have the CD, the original CD of it is in Chinese. I had a conversation via Yahoo email together with the developers of Zwei the Ilvard Insurrection and Zwei 2 Plus. I am trying to get the translation file from the English version. So they say that the game is just translated in Chinese, so I cannot understand or comprehend the language. But now that they have the Zwei the Ilvard Insurrection, which is purely English, now I am able to comprehend with the game. So let's get started. Lorna Valentine is the main character of this game. Alright, should be coming up pretty soon now. Damn you, McCoy, sending me all the way out there, or way out here. And you, the price on those Hero Tech parts was too good to be true. Hey, still It was one hell of a deal. Couldn't pass up an offer like that. Smoothest ride I ever had. She's cutting through the skies like a bird. Guess that's Aerotech for you, pricey. But you get what you pay for. Let's see. This Silvard place is supposed to have its own airstrip, at least. That's what I heard. Fuel level's good, and just purring like a kitten. Guess it wouldn't hurt to kick her into overdrive and shorten the trip. Let's see what this thing can really do. Huh? What else is that? Yeah, you pickle rotten. Time for a little pressure Chris to Ilvards to be human. Tell you what, I'm feeling what's that? Meowcriful or meowsiful today. I'll make this nice and quick. There it is, the dog fight. So this cutscene is one of the best cutscenes I ever had since 2008. This is one of the era wherein 3D animation is at its finest. I do appreciate this kind of 3D animation. So let's begin. How would you like that? I've got another pocket for the lead for you right here. Ain't no monster or Marauder the Tristan can't handle me. Can't handle with me at the helm. Let's rock. Oh, they're shooting at the enemy. Rock and roll. Who is this guy? I can't believe his scrummy metal bird is keeping up with the greatest Mont Blanc's majestic dragon. Hey, puppet girl. I know you can hear me. If you're done pretending I'm not being shot at, maybe you could try helping me. I wasn't pretending, just bemused. You seem so confident, gung-ho. I assumed you'd had no trouble handling this by yourself. How about you shut up? Our orders were to take out anyone who wanders into Ilvard airspace. Or did that slip your mind? Very well. Let's see that girl. So I remember way back 2008. Marupok tong lalaking to eh. Tingnan natin. Let's go, Emerald. There's no need to destroy the plane. Just focus on driving him around. Tignan mo. Marupok yan eh. Marupok yung lalaki dyan eh. Tignan mo. Marupok yan eh. Tignan mo. Yan yung favorite kong scene. Hindi pa uso yung word na marupok nung 2008 eh. Tignan nyo kung gaano karupok tong lalaking to. Sabi ko sa inyo, marupok yun. Yan. Labanan niya yan. Dog fight sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan, tingnan nyo. Biglang talon, oh. Tingnan nyo yan, ha, oh. Ayan na. Tirahin na niya yung babae. Ayan na. Pag tira niya sa babaeng yan, oh, ayan na. Putang ina yan. Kita niyo niya. Ang rupok. Ayan na, oh, putang ina yan, oh. Nilagpasan niya, oh. Sabog ka tuloy. Oh, yan. Yan ang mga nangyayari sa mga marurupok na lalaki, oh. Tignan nyo nangyayari sa kanya, oh. Ayan yun. Ang rupok mo kasi. Yan tuloy, nabaril ka nung isa. Alright, let's continue. Yahaha, take that, Fox. He's lucky to fall straight forward, Elvard. Too bad he'll never survive a crash from this altitude. And he had me right in his sights. So yun nga, dahil marupok siya. Why didn't he fire? Kasi nga marupok siya. Yun. For a moment there, I actually had my hopes up. Letting such a golden opportunity to go to waste like that is just sloppy. Oh well, I suppose this warrants a closer look. At the very least. Who knows? That boy must be the lucky I've been looking for.
Let's be off.
Zwei, the Ilvard Insurrection. Yung laro na marunong kasi yan eh. Year 2008, hindi pa uso yung word na marupok nun. Pero ngayon ko lang nalaman na yun nga. Laro nung may nalupok pa. Ngayon, basahin na lang natin yung iba. So, thank goodness you're finally awake. Do you even know how worried I was about you? Where am I? You're in the town of Arte. We're upstairs in the Panda Inn. Were you the guy who was flying the bright red aeroplane? Yeah, that's me. Oh crap. The Tristan. What happened to my plane? Whoa, slow down there, Tiger. One step at a time, okay? Looks like you're still a bit out of it. Allow me to explain the situation. Who are... I am Theo. Not a full-time position, but the closest we've got here in Arte. This lady here is Miriam, a talented engineer who works down at the airstrip. Oh, well, I've got a ways to go before I can match the boss. But yeah, I'm the one who found you by that crashed plane. I crashed? Indeed, your airplane flew right into a hill on the outskirts of town. Miriam was working when she saw it happen and rushed over to let me know. We went there straightway, found you and carried you back to town. Now here you are, finally awake. So that's what happened. I'm really sorry about this. It sounds like you've gone to a lot of trouble patching me up. Name's Ragna Valentine. Treasure hunter and courier for hire. Usong-uso pa pala yung mga grab na noong araw. Pero 2008 pa yan, ha? That would explain why a guy your age already has his own plane. I'm impressed. Pucha. Motor nga, hindi ako makabili. Pakayang aeroplano. Your treasure hunters must be built like a brick too. That was a nasty crash, but you came out with just a few cuts and bruises. It's a miracle you're already awake. What? She's right. You know, I'm afraid your plane wasn't quite as fortunate though. It broke clean in two on impact. I expected you have some major fractures but found no signs of trauma. Only a couple minor abrasions and lacerations. Tell me, do you hurt anywhere? But wait a minute. I just said that my plane snapped in half. Are you kidding me? Do you know how much cash I poured All the custom mods in your paint job was barely even dry. And I just had the new Aerotech propellers installed too. Wow, I knew it, so those were Aerotech parts. Come on, at least a little happier you're in One Piece, aren't you? If it makes you feel any better, your precious propellers came out looking pretty good, all things considered. That's great. But what are they gonna do? Get a half plane airborne? I mean, I wasn't expecting it to come out this without scratch, but just let me think a bit. O yan, yung parang reminiscing niya nung Lenkas niya. Marupok siya kasi, kita niya yung cheeks. I took a plunge from that height and come with just a couple scratches. And what the hell were those two goons lying around up there? And then, nakakita siya ng cheeks. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
This is your fate. Come, embrace it.
Hey, are you alright? You feel dizzy? Maybe you hit your head harder than I thought. No, it's not that. This is a lot to process all at once. I'm trying to piece together what happened to me. Hey, I was wondering, can you show me that hill where my plane crashed? Save nga natin. Dito na lang isa.